Assalamu alaikum. Happy Eid Mubarak to all my viewers. We are exploring the charming AlWakrah Souq and enjoying the beautiful Wakrah Garden. Hope you are all having an amazing day today. Today I am taking you to a very special place, AlWakrah Souq and AlWakrah Garden. Let's go and explore a very enjoyable festivities together. Souq Waqif have been decorated with brightened lights and the beautiful colors of Eids. Check out these amazing handwork goods and local trees. It is a perfect spot to reach out something special or just soak in the sights and soul of traditional Qatari dress or culture. From strolling through the vibrant market to enjoying a peaceful time in a garden, it was an experience to remember. Here goes the grand finale. Fireworks lit up the sky, making everything even more magical. This was a very beautiful and very incredible fireworks. It took almost 7 minutes to show. This is a new Wakrah Garden for families. It had took almost 5 years to make it up. The before old Wakrah Garden had been destroyed and rebuilt into a new beautiful garden. There is a space for children to play, families to sit and have a picnic timing. There was a show of lake fountains with a beautiful light and musical behind. It took minimum 2 minutes for a show and it was very incredible, beautiful and very sight to see. Children were happy and the families were happy as well. Families can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities. There are lush of greeneries, calming lake with beautiful fountain and exciting features like children playground, watering, walking racks and jogging racks. In it, they put up a toy stall where kids can come and buy new stuff like kites, water balloons, fan balloons, fan lights to enjoyment and to lit up their all achievement. I hope you did enjoy my vlog. Please subscribe, like, comments and share and follow my vlog.